If you've inherited a property in Dublin, Ohio, or if you're going through the probate process and it involves a property in Dublin, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying properties in and around Dublin, Ohio. Buying inherited properties and buying probate properties is what we specialize in. So if you've inherited a property, typically there's already enough confusion going on. There's already enough stress. We're not here to add to the stress. We're here to add to the simplicity and make things stress-free for you. One of the ways that we do that is when we're buying your Dublin house, we're going to buy it in its true as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You don't even need to mow the grass or clean the property or anything like that whatsoever. Typically, the way the conversation goes is you, as the person who inherited the Dublin property, you can take anything that you want out of the property, any family heirlooms or collectibles or anything like that. Anything that you don't want, you simply could leave behind. You don't need to haul anything away. We're going to buy the property in its true as-is condition. And that makes a lot of sense for people who inherit properties in Dublin, Ohio, because we're not a traditional buyer. We're not the type of buyer that's working with a realtor. And maybe you're somebody who has a lot of money, and maybe you want to sink money into the property and you don't mind the house potentially sitting on the market for months on end. If that's the case, work with a realtor. You can list the property. Maybe you'll get more for it. But then you're working with a traditional buyer who typically, their financing is going to be depending on appraisals. It's going to be depending on inspections and things like that. We're not a traditional buyer. We're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, so there's no inspections or appraisals or anything like that. You're going to know exactly what you're going to get, and you don't need to sink any money into the property. So when you give us a call, our number, by the way, is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You fill out a very simple form. We'll get on the phone with you, and it's a simple conversation where we just need to understand more about the property and then understand more about where you're at in the timeline. And this is extremely important, but it's often overlooked. Your timeline is extremely important. We're able to accommodate your needs, meaning if you want to close on the inherited property in Dublin, Ohio quickly, we could accommodate that. We can move extremely quickly because we are a cash buyer. But if you need more flexibility, maybe something's going on in your life out here that needs to happen before you could close on the inherited property, by all means, if you need flexibility, we could accommodate that as well. So we're going to make you a fair cash offer right over the phone. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and we're going to communicate clearly, and you're going to know exactly what's going on in the process the entire time, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of people. You can see our references and reviews and testimonials all online. But if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We can shake hands and part as friends, and there's never going to be any pressure or added pressure, gimmicks, sales techniques, anything like that. Just full transparency, and if we work together, you're going to have certainty, and we're going to make this extremely easy for you. So if you have inherited a property in Dublin, Ohio, if you know someone who inherited a property in Dublin, Ohio, or if you're going through a probate situation that involves a property in Dublin, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Myself or someone on my team will speak to you. We'll communicate clearly. We're here local. This is not some call center that you're calling into. We are here local. We can meet you if that's what you need, and we're well connected. So if you need any resources or references, we have all that. We're here to make it easy for you. Give us a call at 614-300-5151 and visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We're here to provide you clarity and certainty and remove stress from the situation, never add to it. Once again, my name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to working with you.